Hello friends, welcome to NiftyHMS. So today we are going to see how you can download the health and wellness, holistic wellness assessment form completely free. Yes, completely free. Let's just check it out. So you need to go to browser and type in niftyhms.com in the URL field, and once you land on the page, go to resources and then click on free downloads. Once you are there, you just need to scroll down all the way down towards the Wellness Program Center. So the Wellness Center, assessment form is available in different languages: Spanish, Hindi, Dutch, French. Just click on English language, and then you will see a PDF icon. Just click on that icon, and you will be able to enter your email and your name. Please make sure you enter a valid email ID, because we are going to send you the PDF access on your email. So once you click on download free PDF, it will show you the message like this, that please check your email inbox or spam folder, because the email will land over there. And let's just go and check the email. We have the email, and now we're going to click on please confirm your email address just to validate the email ID, and then it will open up the PDF form, assessment form. It's a multi-page form that you can actually print it, or you can download it as a PDF and use it for education purpose. So thanks for watching the video, and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.